How to fix your headset mic on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your headset mic easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to your PC. This is the home page. Now go down here on the search bar and search for audio like this. Click on sound settings. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is click on sound control panel, and after you click on it, go to the recording tab right here. Now as you can see, you have many microphone options right here. This is the microphone USB for the headset. Now I can disable it or enable it just from here. After you enable it, go down and click apply, click OK, and your microphone must be working. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much.